Hey guys, Plant-Based Gabriel here, and today I'm going to be making my easy enchilada sauce. Now all we're going to need for this recipe is one blender. Now I'm using my Ninja Auto IQ blender. You can use any blender. I'm going to be using 1.5 cups of water, an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, and then a spice mix that includes 1 teaspoon of cumin, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder, and then 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Now we're going to bring you guys in here. We're going to get this blended up. Okay, all we're gonna need to do here is just load all of our ingredients in. I'm gonna go with my spice mix first. And we've got our tomato sauce and our 1.5 cups of water. Now I'm going to blend this for roughly around 30 seconds just to make sure everything gets nice and homogenized. Alright, that looks and smells fantastic. I'm gonna get the kitchen cleaned up. I will see you guys in just a second. Alright guys, I got the kitchen tidied up. I'm here with my easy enchilada sauce, looking and smelling fantastic. Now I will mention, from here there's a couple things we can do. Now if you're gonna go ahead and make my easy enchilada bake, you can just use it like it is, use the cup in there, and it'll bake through when you're baking that bake in the oven. Now, if you're gonna use it as like a sauce or over a plant-based burrito, a bean burrito, then I might recommend going ahead and putting it on the stove on a nice pot for, roughly around 10 to 15 minutes on a low to medium heat and just letting it simmer to kind of cook some of those raw spices through. But for my application of it with my easy enchilada bake, I just use it just like this, pour it on top, and it's good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. Fantastic, really deep flavor, rich flavor, and it's just gonna go good on a lot of Mexican dishes that I know that my wife and I, Erica, make a ton. It's gonna go great on the easy enchilada bake and hopefully on various dishes that you guys make at home. I'm Plant-Based Gabriel. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe video. If you did, hit the like button on Facebook and the subscribe button on YouTube. I will hopefully see you very, very soon.